Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a screen record on your PC or your laptop, HP or any type of device. So let's dive into it without wasting much time, okay? So what you have to do is you come to your search icon over here, and then you search for sniping tools. When you search for sniping tools, you come here and then you open. So it will bring you to this kind of interface, and then if it's a screenshot you want to take, you come to the photo icon, you tap on it, and you tap on new. But if it's a screen record you're trying to make, you come to this video icon, okay? So you tap on new, and when you tap on new, it will bring you to a dark interface like this. So you move your cursor to the edge of the screen, and then you drag it to the end of the other screen. That's if you want to capture the whole screen, but it depends on what you want to capture. You can just move it anywhere, but for this video I'm moving it to the edge of the screen to capture the whole screen. So you leave it there, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on the microphone, because if you don't turn on the microphone, it just keep recording without no voice, and it might be useless sometimes. So make sure you turn on your microphone. So when you turn on your microphone, then you can go ahead and hit the start button. So I won't hit it right now because I'm currently using it to record this video. So that's it. So simple as that. If you find any value in this video, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video so it gets to more viewers. Thank you.